Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing another cash stuffing, and we'll be stuffing, I crossed it out, but we'll be stuffing $1,103 for my last paycheck of June. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first we're gonna start by counting this money. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 750, 800, 850, 870, 890, 910, 930, 950, 970, 990, 110, no, 1,010, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 1,100, 1, 2, 3. So we got $1,103. Put this money back in the tray. That took me 5 times to count. All right, starting out. Okay, y'all. Before I continue, y'all see I really was struggling trying to count my money in the beginning, but I really messed up stuff in my envelopes. But I'm posting it still just so y'all can see everything ain't perfect and how not counting your money back thoroughly can really mess up everything. And y'all gonna see that. Just keep watching it. We're gonna start with my expenses binder. This is the most boring binder because none of the money goes to me in a way. But let's start off with rent. Rent will be getting $400. 100, 200, 300, 400. And my rent will be going up like $60 since my lease is up. So I'm trying to get my car insurance down a little bit so I can put that towards rent. Utilities will be getting $150. And I don't count this expense binder, just stuff it. Car insurance will be getting $166, so 150, 66, so 150, 66. Okay, my car loan will be getting $135. So 1 to 25. It's 135. No, that's not. That's 125. Forgot a 10. Can y'all tell I just woke up? All right, 135 going into car loan. My phone will be getting $15. 5. Oops. Wi-Fi will be getting 27. 27. My credit will be getting $50. I just bent the hell out this laundry. Okay, that's it for this binder. Let's move on to my cash envelopes. All right, I got my wallet here. Let's get all this money out of here. Yeah, I got a receipt in here. Make sure you click the link in my bio and sign up for Fetch Rewards so you can scan receipts and earn gift cards for it. I gotta scan these in. But leftover, we got some ones in here. And what I usually do with my ones, I put it in my little piggy bank jar and save them. So this week in ones, we got $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6. So that will be going into my little piggy bank. Okay, gas is completely depleted, empty, raggedy. Gas will be getting $40, no, $80. So let's do 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, and toiletries left over. I don't have any leftover for food. Toiletries left over has the same amount because I still haven't went toiletry shopping. But I like to beef this up, so I only gotta go like once a month. Toiletries left over has $20, $40, $50, and this week it will be getting $15. Okay, so toiletries now have $20, $40, $5, $55, $65. Why I'm folding this money like I'm scared of it. Okay, and food this week will be getting $25. And I put my food in like that. Okay, that is it for my cash envelopes. Let's move on to my high priority fund. Okay, I got my high priority binder here. And first we'll be stuffing $5 into furniture. Okay, furniture now has 50, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And y'all, I don't really care how much I stuff. I don't care if I stuff $1, 50 cents, these envelopes, as long as something, as long as they're getting something, that's all that matters, because money add up. Okay, car maintenance will be getting $10. And I'll be doing a cash unstuffing video when I get more money into these envelopes. Okay, car maintenance now has 50, 100, 50, 5, 65, 75, 85, 95. So we got 195 in here. Emergency will be getting $10 as well. Okay, emergency now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 50, 600, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 70. So we got $675 in emergency. Okay, that is it for my high priority binder. Let's move on to my low priority binder, and we'll just be stuffing one envelope. Okay, my low priority will be stuffing outings. And outings will be getting its last $5. How I got an extra 5? I'll recount later. Okay, so it was supposed to be 1 5 left, but I guess I messed up somewhere. So I'm gonna just put both of these 5s in here and do 10. So we have 25, 35, 50 in outings. And I'll look back and recount everything later, because I must have miscounted something. But that's it for my cash stuffing video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. See you later.
This is my regular. I'm talking.